Did you know that Daddy Cat, known for his playful antics, decided to lead an army of stuffed animals into a whimsical war? This brave feline donned a miniature helmet and wielded a toy sword, inspiring his plush comrades to join him on this adventurous quest. Daddy Cat surveyed his kingdom, analyzing the toy soldiers and plush allies at his disposal, all while setting his sights on victory. With a fierce but playful determination, he concocted elaborate strategies to outsmart the opposing forces, engaging his loyal friends in the quest for glory.